Hi, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Griffith again. I just wanted to spend just a few minutes talking to you a little bit about math because you've been working with mom and dad on subtraction problems at home. But I just want to, before we start this week, go over some things with you really quickly. This says equal sign. This says minus sign. This says subtract. So the equal sign and the minus sign are symbols that we use when we're writing a math sentence. So who knows what the equal sign looks like? Can you picture it in your head? Maybe you have a piece of paper, you could even write it down. What does the equal sign look like? Well, the equal sign is the sign that looks like this. It's got two lines, one on top of the other, right? And we use that at the end of the math sentence, and it tells us that the numbers on one side of the equal sign and the numbers on the other side are the same. They're equal, they're the same amount. And then the minus sign, can you picture in your mind what the minus sign looks like? Can you write it down? Right, the minus sign is just one straight line. And it tells us that we are going to take away an amount from the amount that we start with. And then to subtract means to take away, doesn't it? So today you're going to work on taking away from the number what? The number 10, right? And there's Zero the hero there. There he is, right? There's our friend Zero the hero. So today you're going to be working with mom and dad, and you're going to be taking away from 10. So let's say we had, say we have a basket, and we've got 10 little kittens in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My gosh, it's very crowded in there. And we'll put their little ears on there. I'm going to do a quick sketch. You know I love kittens. I'd like to have 10 little kittens. Okay, so we've got our 10 kittens in the basket. So, 3 kittens spied some yarn on the floor, and they decided to go play with the yarn. So 3 kittens jumped out of the basket and went and played with yarn. So I'm going to cross off 3. How many kittens were left in the basket? So I've told you the math story that goes with this picture. So now, how would you write the math equation that goes with that picture? What number would you start with? How many kittens did we start with? We started with 10. So our number sentence is going to start with the number 10. And then, did we take away some kittens, or did we add more kittens into the basket? We took away, right? So I'm going to use the minus sign to show that we're taking away some kittens. We started with 10. We're going to take away some number. How many did we take away? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to take away 3. And that equals, that's going to tell us how many are left. When we say are left, we know we are subtracting. How many are left? Well, we can count and find out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kittens left in the basket. So the answer is 7. And the equal sign tells us that 10 take away 3 is the same as 7. It's equal to 7. 10 take away 3 is 7. So it's really important when you write that number sentence to make sure you have all the parts of the number sentence that you need. How many you started with, showing that we're taking away, how many are we taking away, and then finally, how many are left. All right? Good job, kindergarten. See you later. Bye.